Good evening, everyone. This is Alok. Once again, I welcome you all on Idealize Yuva Club. Every Friday and Saturday, I'll be there with a very special topic that will bring a change in you and also will help you to improve your personality. In my previous video, means last Friday, I discussed phonetics. What is phonetics? And I told phonetics is the study of sound of human speech. Then let's continue the last video. It's all about phonetics. As I told, phonetics is the study of sound. Sound means what we speak. Sound means what sound we produce. Phonetics is a very important part in English. It's because it is all about the producing of sound. See, in our locality, there are many people who speak in English, but you can notice their pronunciation are different. Totally different. Those who produce correct sound for the particular letter, you appreciate their English. Those who don't produce appropriate sound for the appropriate letter, you don't like. I mean to say, unless you speak English correctly, there is no importance of speaking English. Now, the question is, how will we speak correct English? Or what does correct English mean? It's very simple. Correct English means correct production of sound. Means you need to produce correct sound. We can improve our phonetics. Means we can make our English correct, or we can improve our pronunciation with the help of two ways. The first and most effective way is listening. You must listen sound, that which sound is used for which letter, or which letter give which sound. Listening is the most effective way to improve your English. And while reading, or if you go through the dictionary, you wanna improve your English or sound, then you must have a very good knowledge of symbol for sounds. Means which symbol is used for which sound, you must have a very good knowledge. And in English, for later point of view, if we see, there are only 5 vowels. We say A, E, I, O, U. But for sound point of view, the same letter I produces different sound. How will we remember, or how will we know the sound of I at different places? First of all, I gave you examples to make you understand how I letter produces different sound. For example, I, it gives the sound of I. For example, we say Elizayak. Elizayak. E-L-E-G-I-A-C. Here I produces the sound I. We say Elizayak, means expressing sadness. Here I produced I sound. Now I give you one example where I produce a sound. A. We know A produces a sound or E produces a sound. But we need to know I also produces a sound. For example, we say facility. Many people pronounce facility, but this is not right to pronounce. This is not facility. This is facility. This is facility. Here The spelling is F-A-C-I-L-I-T-Y. Here, first I, that is F-A-C-I, this I produces E sound, fussy. L-I-T-Y, another I produces a sound, this is facility. This means you saw how I produced E and a sound. Then how will we improve our phonetics? Again, this question will arise. Then remember, the more you listen, the more you know. The more you practice, the more you know. The more you read, the more you know. Means to bring perfection, this is very mandatory to go through more and more words every day to know the sound. Unless you know sounds, unless you practice sounds for the later, this will be very different and very difficult. I gave you some more examples, like there's a suffix T-I-O-N. This is pronounced as shun. For example, nation, examination, exaggeration, reception, deception, attention. Many examples are there that ends with T-I-O-N and it sounds shun, sure. And the same T-I-O-N produces ch sound, ch. If letter S comes just before T-I-O-N, it doesn't produce shun sound. It produces chan, ch, na, chan sound. For example, the word is Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. It is not question, it is question. The word is D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. This is not digestion, this is digestion. The word is C-O-N-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. This is not congestion, this is congestion. The word is S-U-G-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. This is not suggestion, this is suggestion. When we say question, congestion, suggestion, digestion, means we are wrong to pronounce. Why do we pronounce wrong? Because what we listen, we speak. We speak what we listen. We have listened incorrect English. This is why we speak incorrect English. Now, how will we improve our English? Improving English means, first of all, you need to improve your phonetics. Improving phonetics means you need to improve your sound. You need to know how to produce sound, which sound to be produced for this letter. In English, there is a letter E, but it produces different sounds. For sound point of view, there are more than 20 vowel sounds. Letter is same, but sound is different. So, unless you practice, how will you improve your English? How will you start speaking English correctly? Right? So, the best way to improve your phonetics or to speak English correctly is to listen correct sound, to listen correct pronunciation. Or if you go through dictionary, you must be able to recognize the symbol for the sound that is used in the dictionary. Right? Phonetic transcription is given. With the help of phonetic transcription, you can learn to produce sound for the later, and you can improve your English, and you can start English. You can start speaking English correctly. And gradually, if you practice more and more with the help of phonetic transcription, gradually you will improve your English. It will be very natural, and naturally you'll start speaking English amidst many people, and you'll be full of confidence. Unless you know correct things, there will be no confidence. And when there is no confidence, there is a very courtly attitude comes before people. If you are asked to address people, then amidst thousands of people, we feel afraid of speaking English or anything. So please go through the phonetic transcriptions. You must know the sound. You study symbol for sounds, then you can improve. Listening is the most effective way, and with the help of phonetic transcription that you can see on the dictionary, that is also the other way to improve your English. This is really very interesting and enjoyable. I wish you to go through this to enjoy your learning and to enjoy your personality. That's it. Thank you. In my next video, I'll show you symbols for the sounds, and I'll try to make it very easy, and I'll try to make your English correct, and I'll also try to make you start speaking soon with correct pronunciation. That's it. Thank you.